Probably your back hurts. Wait. Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the Nexstand. So 60% of my time is working on a laptop. So I got this stand to get rid of back pain. Now this stand is made out of durable plastic and it has this foldable design here that actually feels nice and very slick, guys. All you have to do is just do that, do this, do that, do this, and you have a foldable stand that can fit on your backpack, and it's really light, guys, so it doesn't take up too much space on your bag, and it's not too heavy too. Also, this has an included pouch that has a Nexstand branding there. Nice. And also some fillers. If you have those thin and light laptops, all you have to do is just place it over here so you can fit in a thinner laptop. Now, if you're getting this for your 15-inch MacBook Pro or those thin and light Windows laptop, you will need to have these fillers. So these fillers are for this side here, guys. All you have to do is just place that in, and you will see that this part here gets thinner, so you can fit in a thinner laptop. So if you don't have a thinner laptop and you're rocking a old laptop or like an old Windows laptop, just make sure it's not very thick, like 2-inch thick won't fit on this laptop. So what I have here is a Dell Inspiron. So this is just a inch of a laptop. So let's place it here, and it actually fits. Now, what's good about this thing, guys, is it also has adjustable height. So all you have to do is you can adjust it, but this is a downside for me because you can't adjust it while the laptop is sitting there. So all you have to do is, we have like little triggers over here, is just press it down until you get your height, then you can now place in your laptop. So that's a good thing to note. So you have a really foldable stand here, guys, that you can bring on a coffee shop or in work, and you can just place it in your bag. It's not too heavy. You can start working hard and your back doesn't hurt because you are actually on the right position, that your eye level is facing the screen, so you're not crunching down like that. Now the screen is hitting your face, right on the face. See? So it's now more comfortable to work on your laptop with this Nexstand. Now guys, it does a good job holding my laptop. So even you tilt it like this, whoops, it doesn't fall down. Or like this, it doesn't fall down. Or like this, it doesn't fall down. Or like that, it doesn't fall down because it's gripping your laptop. So it has two grips over here, guys, as you can see there. That insert there is for the grip of your laptop, so your laptop doesn't fall down easily. Now that's a good touch there. Great engineering, guys, great. Now I just wish that this has 4 rubber feet so it won't scratch my new table here, my new review table here, because it just slides all over the place like that. But if you place your laptop, because the weight is pushing down, it doesn't move a lot, but it's still movable. So that's one thing. Alright guys, so some concerns. Now over here where the laptop is placing down, like right now, the rubber paddings here is just spilling over. So it's just easy to fix, but actually just using this for like several days, the rubber paddings here that prevents the laptop from sliding over just peels off. So you can just re-glue that or just place a tape so it doesn't fall off. But that's just one of my concerns. But anyway, it's very durable. It doesn't break or anything. Plastic is a bit flexible. That's a good thing, so it doesn't break easily. Now, the flexibility, guys, here is, see that? It's really nice. So it's easy. Just, for example, it's even in your pocket like that. hey, I'm going to the coffee shop. Then place your laptop like that. Bam! 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 You're good to go. Now you can also adjust the height if you want to, but I recommend you to adjust it without the laptop because you might break the level over here. So just press that, adjust it on the right height that you want, place your laptop again like so, and you're good to go. Now, see? Now, the problem of this function here, guys, is you just need to align it because you're actually making it sure that it's aligned, because this can actually go from there and it's not aligned, so you might tip your laptop. So just take note of that. If you're adjusting the height, just make sure it's centered and aligned to each other. It's a great touch there. But I usually just go with the first height. Bam. Bam. And that's it. Now, I really recommend this Nexstand for you guys, for people who works on a laptop. And if you're interested in getting this product, check the link in the description, guys. And again, my name is Hans, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching. What's it?